So today we are going to make you a I was like, did I say it wrong? Hole in the wall diner breakfast sandwich.
I'm gonna make a hole in the wall for you.
You came up with the name and it's so long.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And we are in New Mexico, staying at a campground called Enchanted Trails, right on historic Route 66.
Which has inspired the amazing breakfast sandwich that we are gonna be making for you today. Our campground is actually pretty eclectic. It has some like vintage, well, as you can see, signage. It has some old RVs, a really awesome hubcap tree. So today for you, we are going to make a Route 66 hole-in-the-wall breakfast sandwich.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone and get it started.
If you're tuning in for the first time, our show is Destination Delicious. And if you've been here for a while, you already know that we travel the country full-time as a family, going to amazing destinations and cooking for you some delicious meals.
And this is actually the first time in our travels that we have come across Route 66, which, as you know, is an iconic highway that runs from the Midwest to the Southwest. And it's actually pretty exciting to be here because it has just this feeling to it.
There's a lot of history.
A lot of cool hole-in-the-wall restaurants all along the entire route that people have had some absolutely amazing meals in. It's cool for us to be able to stay at a campground that's on Route 66. And as with many of our recipes, this one is going to start out with bacon.
As always, we're cooking on our 22-inch Blackstone while Spencer gets the bacon going. I'm going to shred the potatoes because we are also making some hash browns.
We're using Wright's hickory smoked thick cut bacon today, and it smells fantastic.
We'll be back in 30 minutes once I finish shredding all these potatoes. So the next thing that I need to do is lay out some paper towels because the key to hash browns is making sure that these potatoes, or shredded potatoes, are dry. And I'm gonna just spread out a thin layer. Thank you for the assist of potatoes.
I believe our bacon has been cooked to perfection, so it's time to pull that off so we can make room for other things to go on the griddle.
The best way to know when our bacon is ready is when this one comes around,
Yeah.
because he is a big bacon thief.
We can't ever have too much bacon.
Time to get the sausage on. I'm actually going to flatten these sausage patties smash burger style because it'll help them cook a little faster and it'll fill out our sandwiches better.
For our hash browns, we're gonna season them with Blackstone's breakfast blend and a little bit of salt and pepper. Hash browns are crisping up nicely. Sausage is almost ready.
Yep.
So we're gonna get our eggs down on the griddle, and we're using Blackstone silicone egg rings to make them like sausage perfect. I mean, sausage perfect,
Yeah.
sandwich perfect. So while you get that started, I will butter the English muffins because we will put those down, get those toasted a little bit. Fun fact, I do not prefer my eggs cooked in bacon grease. I like my eggs just to have a nice clean flavor, but you know that is not how it goes down in a diner. So today, the eggs are getting cooked in all the grease.
I'm going to move everything over to the side so we can get our English muffins down, and then we're going to be ready to go. All right, the time has come.
To build some breakfast sandwiches.
We have a griddle full of delicious food, and it's just like a diner. Like everything goes on the griddle, all the flavors get mixed in together.
In the grease, cooked in all the grease.
It's gonna be so good. All right, so let's start piling these things together.
All right. Okay, do you want to put bacon on yours? All right, you gotta rip it in half and put 2 halves on your bacon, on your sandwich.
Go right on top of the sausage, huh?
Concoctions.
Yeah, but I'm gonna throw some hot sauce on mine.
A little Cholula.
Cholula action. And I'm also gonna hit it with a post dust of the breakfast blend.
All right, it is time to dig in to our Route 66 hole-in-the-wall breakfast sandwiches that look phenomenal.
They look so good.
They are loaded with like all the grease, all the bacon, all the pork goodness.
Exactly what you'd expect to find in a roadside Route 66 diner.
All right, let's just jump in. Do you remember which one's yours? All right, let's go for it.
All right, I got a little bit of runny egg yolk on mine, so I'm gonna try not to get
Big
that
bites,
beer.
here we go. Yum. Those hash browns crisped up perfectly. They add just another level of texture in here. So good.
Dual meat was definitely the way to go. Bacon and sausage.
Like, look at this. Look at these layers.
We really appreciate you guys watching. We have a lot of fun cooking these kinds of recipes, and we hope you really enjoy watching them. Make sure to check out blackstoneproducts.com. Check out the YouTube channel, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notifications every time we put up a new video. Check out all the other awesome cooks on the channel.
Bruce, Betty, CJ, Nate, and Todd.
And we're gonna get back into our sandwiches. But until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.